As an online merchant, you want to get as many customers as possible to visit your shop. Good rankings on search engines like Google can help you achieve that. You can improve your rankings with search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Your shop helps you with some of the major SEO factors. First of all, let's have a look at the URLs of your shop. These are the addresses under which a particular page can be found. It is highly important for your rankings when the URLs contain the right keywords, for example, the name of the product you are selling on that page. Your shop is taking this work off your shoulders by automatically creating the URLs. Each page of your shop has its own page title and meta description. Page titles are shown within the Browser tab or as links on search result pages. They have a big impact on SEO and are created by your shop automatically. The meta descriptions may be shown on search result pages too, and should describe your pages in a brief and meaningful way, so that users who read them get convinced to visit your shop. Would you like to edit the title or meta description of a product? Then select in your shop's administration area in the main menu Products, then View Products, and then the product number. Under Search Engine Entry, you can take care of the changes. For your home page, categories, or content pages, you can edit the titles and meta descriptions as well. In the main menu, select Editor, and then under Pages, the gear icon next to the name of a page. You can see a preview of what the page could look like in the search results of Google & Co. This way, you get a glimpse of what your customers will see and gain more control of that. Another factor for SEO. Google likes websites that are optimized for mobile devices. Your shop is responsive, meaning it looks great on phones and is perfectly prepared for Google. Now that you know some of the things your shop is doing for you already, let me give you 4 further tips on SEO. Advice number 1. Your shop's success in search engines rises if you utilize the right keywords. Think about the terms that your customers might use to find your shop or the products you are selling. Then mention these keywords not only in page titles or meta descriptions, but also in texts like your product descriptions. Advice number 2. Always use high quality and unique texts that cannot be found elsewhere on the web. You should always ask yourself, is this content relevant and helpful for my customers? Advice number 3. In terms of SEO, it is very useful when many other websites link to your shop, preferably sites that are important and trustworthy. This will show Google that other sites value your shop so high that they are linking to it. It is beneficial when they are dealing with the same topic as your shop. Last but not least, if you offer your shop in more than one language, don't forget to optimize it for all of them. Now you know the basics. Have fun trying it out and boosting your Google rankings.